do you guys feel when you see a red lip and pink eyeshadow? Sounds a hot mess to me. I created this look with just 3 eyeshadows and blended it where it made sense. So if you would like to create this look any day of the year or Valentine's Day, then please stay tuned. So this is my final look. Hopefully this helps someone else do their makeup. Let me know down below if this is a look that you would possibly recreate for Valentine's Day or any other day. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give a like if you felt that this video was any way, shape, or form helpful for you. I created this look with just 3 eyeshadows, and so can you. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye! I don't know how to feel about this look, but y'all just let me know down below how y'all feel about this look, because it's giving which way to go, which way to go, which way to go, red or pink, red or pink. So I did both. I did both, honey. Sure did. Items will be listed down below in the description box if you are interested in the products that I use for today's video.